morning, sports fans. How are we? It's been a while. Welcome back to McGinn's Vlogs. It is a great day because we're finally getting round to doing the next bit of my van build. Now, if you watched my last YouTube video, you can see I got my lovely seat covers done with the guys at Seat Skins and Individual Auto Design. And then we are now going to VANSTYLE in Newark, where we're going to do some stuff to the outside of Trevor. So I'm very, very excited. Still got a dodgy arm, so we just make sure the armrest is fine. We won't worry about that. I made it to VANSTYLE. The size of it, I didn't realise how big it was. We're going to do a sick before and after with my van, and yeah, they've got some sick transits here. I'm already excited about that. Let's go on a little tour around the warehouse. Go on then.
Can you sign this for me, please?
Right, what is it first? What is it? Tell me what it is.
So this is your fitting job card.
Yeah.
Obviously we've got your name there, date, mileage, any bumps and bruises anywhere before we get it in there. We don't want to be getting told off the way if we bump them. And then everything that you're having fitted today. So we've got all your wheels, tyres, lovely awnings.
Exciting.
So you're going to sign your life?
Maybe. For it.
I'll talk you through it. Okay. So yeah, we also offer carpet bundles. So if you're converting your van, obviously you can go on the website and check against your van, and rather than sending you just a roll of carpet out, we have bundles. So see, they'll come out as a carpet bundle, and then they've got all the spray in there and everything to go with them as well. So yeah, the spray tins come as part of the package, so you could just buy the full set and away you go.
Perfect.
Glass, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, one of our biggest sort of sellers is the Bilstein springs. Obviously we've got all the different ranges. We've got eyeback springs, dampeners, spot, suspension, Cobra lift kits, all that sort of
Nice. We also stock a number of detailing products. Yarn gloss stuff in there, from snow foam, snow foam, from snow foam. So obviously all your detailing bits, and clay bars, etc. And then yeah, one of our biggest sellers is thermal blinds. So one of our sort of marquee products is these blinds. You see here, and these are all custom fit blinds, various different models and sizes of van and stuff like that. But yeah, they're basically reversible, so you've got the black on one side, reflective on the other. Love that.
And you can have them both sides. Depending on weather conditions, whether you want to keep the heat in or out. But yeah, one of the biggest parts of these is we obviously sell them with a bundle, but we also sell individual shades as well. So if you just want to grab sort of a tailgate blind or a side, you can just buy individuals rather than a full set.
Yeah, nice.
Share, like, subscribe.
Oh my goodness. Trevor's never gonna look the same. They always look like they're not gonna fit when you see them like that, don't you?
Yeah. No. I'll actually check the genuine notes. Oh shit. Oh, subtle. Like it. Go on, Scott.
Learn off stand today,
Yeah,
that's
black
right.
coffee, please, mate. Black coffee. Stan, would you like a cuppa? Yes. Just got a lot of cameras in my face. I'm struggling today. Okay.
We're about halfway through the build right now. I've just had a little nosy to see how Stan's getting on. I cannot wait for you to see these wheels. Oh my god. He's going to make such a difference to the van. But yeah, enjoying a little bit of the sunshine. That fire alarm. You're ruining my vibe here, mate. Love these wheels. Got rear bumper protector, wheels, side skirts to the side, and the best bit, got the awning. So this will come all the way out, and I can put my bike underneath. What's it? Oh my goodness. That's my day at VANSTYLE complete. I am so freaking happy! It's the first part, well, I say the first part, second-ish part of the outdoor done on Trevor. Next up, we're going to be doing the back, which is going to be, I want to make it all nice and cozy for camping in. So, yeah, so gassed. Like, thank you so much VANSTYLE. You guys have freaking made my little moto van dreams come true today. So time to drive home and get in the dry. See you next time. Hey, hey, hey.